Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Finance AI. First, navigate to the Google Finance website. Once there, you'll find various sections dedicated to market data and news. Look for the specific AI-powered tools designed to offer deeper insights into stock performance and trends. These features are integrated to help you understand complex market movements with greater clarity and ease. To effectively use the AI features, explore the Insights or Analysis tabs. Here, you'll see AI-generated predictions and sentiment scores for various stocks. For example, a stock might show a 75% positive sentiment based on recent news. You can also set up personalized alerts for significant AI-detected changes in your portfolio, ensuring you stay informed without constant monitoring. Applying these AI insights means using them as a valuable data point, not the sole basis for decisions. For instance, if AI predicts a 10% growth for a company, combine that with your fundamental research. Always consider the broader economic landscape. Regularly checking the AI's updated forecasts can help you adjust your strategy, potentially saving you from unexpected market shifts and optimizing your portfolio's performance. For advanced users, delve into features like AI-driven sector analysis, which can identify emerging trends across entire industries. Google frequently updates its AI capabilities, so keep an eye on their official announcements for new tools. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This helps you leverage the most current AI insights for a competitive edge in your financial planning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.